Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change call sound on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then you can see the option of call notification. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of call sound. Tap on it. Next, select sound of your choice and then click on arrow option. Here I am choosing sound of comfort zone. Then click on arrow option. After that, you can see the option of save. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change call sound on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.